guys, welcome back to Andreativity. If you're new to this channel, I'm Andrea, and for today's video, I'm going to be rearranging and redecorating my room. And I've told you guys before, since we've been here, I haven't decorated my room. So in my room, I don't have that much space, so we're gonna move around my bed, my dresser, and things like that. I'll be painting my bed frame, and you can see I have a lot of stickers up there because when I was little, I used to get a lot of stickers from like the doctors or the dentist, and that's gonna be the hardest part, to remove them. I'll also be painting my dresser. I have one over here and one over here. And I'm gonna paint the outsides, and I'm gonna be painting my dressers also, my dresser. And while the bed frame and the dressers are drying, we're going to be decluttering my room so I won't bring back the same mess. And I'll probably do a separate video for that. So let's go! So without further ado, let's move all my stuff out.
A brisa vem tomar eu no teu olhar, uma estrela no céu. Sinto teu desejo a querer o teu beijo e narro numa lua de mel, de mel. Danço a hula hoop e o tcha tcha tcha. Sou estrela no céu. Vem tocar meu corpo sensual. Quero ouvir você chamar. Danço a hula hoop e o tcha tcha tcha. Sou estrela no céu. Noite de noite de noite de noite de noite noite de noite de luar, a brisa vem tomar eu no teu olhar, uma estrela no céu. Sinto teu desejo a querer o teu beijo.
Day 2 of painting the drawers, and as you can see, the drawers are mostly white because we put the primer first, and now we're going to put the white paint on it. So the bugs just like to sit on the drawers. But I painted my big dresser, and there's still parts of purple and yellow on it, but we're just gonna put the paint on it. So yeah, it was really hard to paint all of these. It was worth it because now I'm gonna have like white drawers and a white bed frame. outlets were on both sides, so we could put the bed in the middle and put my nightstands under the outlets. The bed is too close to the wall in my closet a little bit, so now we're gonna twist it back the way it was the first time. Let me know down below, what do you think? Another option for my bedroom, and I think I like it like this. I have enough space to walk on both sides. It's not too crowded. So, and if I use the other option, then I wouldn't have enough space for my other nightstand. So if I get enough likes and comments, then I'll probably change my bed another way or rearrange all my stuff. So let me know which one, the previous option or this one. I'm taking a break from my room and I'm going to be showing you guys the decorations that I got from Primark, and I did a separate video, so I'll link that down below if you guys haven't watched it already, where I bought all the decorations for my room. So first I have these sheets, and I think I have like sheets and fitted sheets. I have these white ones, I have a fitted sheet, I have these other sheets. I have this purple regular sheet. And for the sheets, I'm going to wash them first before putting them on my bed for the chemical smell. So like I don't have to smell that if I sleep on them. This is a flat sheet. I got this gold clock. We got this gold clock for like the theme of my room because we're gonna add some gold. And we saw this white clock at Primark. It was $4.50, but this one was €3, so we got this one instead. We have this pegboard, and it comes with letters, so we can make like messages on them, like on the back. It comes with the whole alphabet, so you can make messages with them, and I can do that for like back to school or just put random things on it. This is my new room, and as you can see, it's really bright because of the white paint that we put on the bed and the dresser. And we wanted to add a touch of color, so I really like my bedroom like this. And for the dresser, I added like 3 of my favorite books. I've been reading these books for a long time, ever since I was in elementary school. Then I have like a cotton scented candle, and then a pegboard that says, oh frick. It was supposed to say, I love my new room, but it doesn't matter. We put the gold paint, and I really like it like this. The gold looks really nice. Then, as you can see, it's kind of empty, but over there, we're gonna add my desk, but we're doing a DIY on it right now. So the video will be out after these videos. Then for my other nightstand, I have my blue lamp. I've had this for a few years now. Gold clock, and then my nightstand. It's just like my dresser. And I've had my bed set since I was like 2, and I've had it till now because it's not really worn out, and you can decorate it like I did by painting it, and it looks nice once again. My next nightstand is just like the first one, but I just have some pictures of myself and my cousins. The hardest part of this project was the painting, but it was worth it because now I really like how my room was. If you've seen the beginning of the video, you saw how my room was really dirty, but I like it now, nice and neat and organized, and the white really makes the room brighter, and I can't wait to keep my room like this. My new resolution is going to be keeping my room just like this. So this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment down below any suggestions for my bedroom and what did you like about this video, and subscribe and press the little notification bell next to the subscribe button so you will be notified for all my new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!